Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export chat from WhatsApp to PDF. So let's get right into it. First of all, open a WhatsApp app, go to the chat, hit on this three dotted button, hit on more, and then hit on export chat. And these are the options where you can export chat. For now, I'm going to hit on Gmail. Write the email address over here and hit on send. Let's go to the mail, and this is the chat I've sent. Hit on download button. Once it downloads, then go to notifications, go to files, hit on downloads, and here it is, your WhatsApp chat. Extract your file and open up your PDF file. And that's it guys. How to export chat from WhatsApp to PDF. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.